Alright guys, the second step of my preparation for the winter is to shut down my 3-barrel filter system, because the system is in a shed and not heated shed, so the water gonna be frozen if I keep it running, and it would create more damage to the system. So I'm gonna shut it down for the winter. So before I do that, I'm gonna clean my media first. So let's do that now. So same thing, my shop vac, plug in, and on the lower side got my vacuum hose. I'll do number 1 first. Turn off this valve and turn off my UV light. So we have UV light and 3-barrel pump. Drain the water down. I'm gonna shut off this bypass valve. Oh, tight. Open this. Okay, I'll be back after I finish cleaning my media. Alright, so now I have all the medias cleaned up and system shut down. Turn up my air pump for this barrel number 3. So I'm gonna keep all the drain valve open, so to prevent damage from freezing. Okay, so our drain, and so is this one. This valve is hard. Oh. Okay, I need 2 hands. Yeah. Open. Alright, next I'm gonna go unplug this 3-barrel pump. I'm gonna pull up the pump. Alright, and UV light. Out. Alright, so here there's a check valve right here, which I'm gonna have to disconnect this one too. Bring it inside, and first I'm gonna unscrew this to bring up the pump. Alright. Okay, this hose too. Oh, they're almost clogged up again. Leave it here for now. So I will have some cleaning to do there. Yep, and disconnect the control panel. There you go. So I'm gonna bring this inside, and the wire, of course, leave it here for now. Let me go get the screwdriver to remove that check valve. The water gonna stay inside here, and when it freezes up, it will damage this pipe. So that's why I take it off. This check valve. I bring it inside the house. So that's that. So as the water all drain out from this pipe. Alright, next I'm gonna remove my UV light. First of all, I got disconnect the power, which I did. There's a cable here. Oh, I need a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the box. Alright, I got my ballast, UV ballast off. Bring it around here. Now, I just need to disconnect these two hoses. And there may be still some water in there. So, let's do this one first. I'll use this one to cast the water. If there's any. I think it's all drained out because this is higher point. Yep. So that's out. So it should be the same here. Should be any water left over in here. Well, I have to remember to bring the O-ring inside, otherwise I don't think it'll be good to stay in the cold. So that's one O-ring right there, and there should be another O-ring on this side. Yep, it's inside there, inside and not there. I may have to use something to pick it out, but anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna unscrew these 4 screw, and then the unit's gonna be off the wall and ready to go inside. Alright guys, so my UV light is removed, and these hoses gonna stay like this for the winter, and all the barrels are drained, and put the cover back to prevent any dust, debris falling in. And number 3. Alright, so that's it. And I got a UV light over here. I need to clean the pump and put away, and the check valve. That's it for today. Next step would be my skimmer for the next day or so. Stay tuned for that. So that'll be my step number 3. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Alright, another key point about winterization is that I bring in my pump and keep in this bucket of water, so to prevent the seal from drying out over the winter. So that's why I always keep in a bucket of water to keep the seal lubricated.